you guys. You're clear of me.
Dude, this is Warren. I'm sorry.
One 86 Roger. CDA over.
Roger, we're going to engage those quarters on the corner.
The security forces down here?
He just shot a missile.
They made a break for it.